Okay then, so I would like to conduct a little experiment to see which dock this Roomba will go for. So there's two docks there, a black one and a white one. Let's see which one it'll go for. Looks like it went for the white one. This is weird. It says it's docking, but at the same time it's just stuck. I think it's stuck. This is very weird. So apparently when you have two docks, one Roomba, the Roomba will get confused. And it has here. This is very weird. I've never seen this before. You see, if you look here. Well, that was strange.